What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is a really quick one, but I just wanted to share with you that I have discovered the keyboard of my dreams. I picked it up from Amazon. It is the AULA F98 Pro V3 3-in-1 hot swappable RGB gasket mechanical keyboard. Easy for you to say, but yeah, this thing is an absolute dream. It is gorgeous, full RGB lighting which you can change to all sorts of different patterns and effects using the control dial and the display, as you can see. But yeah, just the feel of it, the build quality, it's got a really nice weight to it. On the back you can see the switch here for your controls, so you can have it on Bluetooth, USB-C or wireless. And here you've also got the receiver stored inside the keyboard so you don't lose it. Very handy for someone like me. But as you can see, I've got mine connected via USB-C because at my desktop that's easier and I don't mind the wire. It's only one cable going through to the back. But yeah, that's my desk now that we've got the keyboard upgrade. What do you think? How are we doing? We looking good? I think we're looking good. But as you can see, you've got settings here: speed, brightness, volume, language. And then you can see here you've got the date and the time displayed, battery charging level there. And yeah, so that's all your menu. If I had any criticism whatsoever, it would be that this control dial here is a little bit too sensitive. But other than that, the thing is just, it's a work of art. Absolutely stunning. You can actually remove the keys as well and you can change these up. They have really cool writing on that I quite like, so I wouldn't remove that. But I love the finish of them, the feel, the actual action of them as well. When you type, the sound is absolutely glorious as well. So if you're interested in a mechanical keyboard, I cannot recommend AULA enough. The F98 Pro V3 is an absolute dream to use, and it has made my desktop look a lot sexier. So yeah, anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to pick up one, I'll put a link as well in my bio and in the description. Check it out.